Good morning. How can I help you today?
Hi, I need a new phone. My old one is broken.
I'm sorry to hear that. What kind of phone are you looking for?
Something simple and not too expensive. I mainly use it for calls and texts.
Perfect. Let me show you some options. Do you prefer Android or iPhone?
I'm not sure. What's the difference?
Android phones are usually cheaper. iPhones are easy to use but cost more.
I think Android sounds good. Can you show me one?
Of course. This Samsung is very popular. It has a good camera too.
How much does it cost?
It's $299, but we have a special offer this week, $249.
That sounds reasonable. Is it easy to use?
Yes, very easy. The screen is clear and the buttons are simple.
Can I make video calls with it?
Absolutely. It works with WhatsApp, Skype, and other apps.
Great! How long does the battery last?
About 2 days with normal use. It charges quickly too.
Does it come with a warranty?
Yes, 1-year warranty. We also fix small problems for free.
That's perfect. I'll take it.
Excellent choice. Do you need a phone case or a screen protector?
A case would be nice. What colors do you have?
We have black, blue, red, and pink cases.
I'll take the blue one, please.
Great. Let me get everything ready for you.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your new phone.
I will. Have a great day.
You too. Come back if you have any questions.
Good morning. I'm Tom. Today is my first day here. Are you Emma?
Yes, that's me. Nice to meet you, Tom. Welcome to our office. How are you feeling?
A bit nervous, to be honest. Everything looks so big and busy. I hope I can learn everything quickly.
Don't worry. I felt the same way last year. Everyone here is really friendly. You'll love it soon. Let me show you around.
That would be great. Thank you. Where should I put my things?
This is your desk, right next to mine. You can put your bag in this drawer. Here's your computer and phone. The password is on this paper.
Perfect. The desk is really nice. What time do we usually start work?
We start at 9 a.m. and finish at 5 p.m. We have 1 hour for lunch at 12:30. There's a good cafe downstairs, or you can bring your own food.
Sounds good. What about breaks? Can I get coffee during the day?
Of course. The coffee machine is in the kitchen. It's free for everyone. We also have tea, water, and sometimes cookies. People often chat there.
That's nice. What will I be doing today? I'm a bit worried about my first tasks.
Don't stress about it. Our manager, Sarah, will meet you at 10 a.m. She'll explain your projects. Today will be mostly meetings and getting to know everyone.
That sounds manageable. Are the people here easy to work with?
Definitely. Everyone helps each other. If you have questions, just ask anyone. We're like a big family here. Nobody will think you're stupid for asking.
That makes me feel much better. What do you usually do for lunch? Do people eat together?
Sometimes we eat together, sometimes alone. It depends on how busy we are. I can show you the good restaurants nearby if you want.
I'd love that. I don't know this area very well yet. Are there shops around here too?
Yes, there's a supermarket 2 blocks away. Also, a pharmacy, a bank, and a post office. Very convenient for daily needs.
Great. One more question. What should I wear to work? I wasn't sure about the dress code.
What you're wearing today is perfect. We're pretty casual here. Jeans and a nice shirt are fine. Only be more formal when we meet important clients.
Good to know. I was worried I might be too casual or too formal. Thank you for being so helpful, Emma.
You're welcome. That's what colleagues are for. I remember how lost I felt on my first day. Now I really enjoy working here.
I hope I'll feel the same way soon. It seems like a really good place to work.
I'm sure you will. Oh, look at the time. Sarah will be here in 5 minutes. Are you ready for your first meeting?
As ready as I can be. Thanks again for everything. I already feel much more confident.
You'll do great. And remember, I'm right here if you need anything. Good luck with Sarah.
Thank you, Emma. I'm really glad you're my desk neighbor. See you after the meeting.
See you later, Tom. Welcome to the team.
Good morning, honey. Did you sleep well?
Morning, love. Yes, I did, but I'm still a bit tired. What time is it?
It's 7:15. We have about 45 minutes before we need to leave.
Perfect. I'll make coffee while you get ready. Do you want breakfast too?
That would be great. Just some toast and jam, please. Oh, and don't forget, we need to buy groceries today.
Right. I almost forgot. Should we go after work or this evening?
Let's go after work. I finish at 5:30 today. What about you?
I have a meeting until 6, but I can meet you at the store at 6:30. Is that okay?
Sounds good. We need milk, bread, and some vegetables. I'll make a shopping list.
Great idea. Here's your coffee and toast. Be careful, it's hot.
Thank you, sweetie. You're so thoughtful. Did you remember to set the dishwasher last night?
Yes, I did. And I also took out the trash. The dishes should be clean now.
Wonderful. I'll put them away when we get home. Oh, I almost forgot. My sister is coming for dinner on Saturday.
That's nice. Should I cook something special? Maybe my famous pasta?
She would love that. You know how much she enjoys your cooking.
I'll stop by the market tomorrow and get fresh ingredients. What time is she coming?
Around 7 p.m., we can have drinks first and eat at 8.
Perfect. I'll plan the menu tonight. Should we invite Tom and Emma too?
Good idea. I'll call Emma today and ask. It will be more fun with friends.
Agreed. Oh, look at the time. It's 7:45 already. We should start getting ready.
You're right. I'll just finish my coffee and brush my teeth.
I'll get my jacket and keys. Don't forget your umbrella. It might rain today.
Thanks for reminding me. I checked the weather app last night. It's supposed to rain this afternoon.
Good thing we're taking the car today instead of walking.
Yes, that was a smart decision. Are you ready to go?
Almost. Let me just grab my laptop back. Okay, I'm ready now.
Great. Do you have your lunch?
Oh no! I forgot to make it. I'll buy something at work.
Here, take this apple and these cookies. At least you'll have something healthy.
You're the best. Thank you so much. I love you.
I love you too. Have a great day at work.
You too. See you at the grocery store at 6:30. Don't work too hard.
I won't. Drive safely.
I will. Bye, honey.
Bye. Have a wonderful day.